Hi class. Okay, so we are on week 11. This is the lesson for week 11, and we only have 4 more weeks left, 3 of which are dedicated to final project. So next week I'm actually going to have a guest speaker do a video for Saturday, and I'm thinking that I might use that as extra credit. We'll see. So this might be your last mandatory lesson. I have to decide. Um, but for now, I think this is really important. This last project is about how to prepare images for the web, and some of you are interested in going into web design. So, um, and for those of you who are not, you may change your mind because there's always somebody asking for work on their website. It's just like people keep calling me because I did websites at one point, but I just couldn't stay in the game after I had my son. I think it was just it evolves too quickly and you can't really stay out of the field for very long before it like surpasses you, in my opinion. But maybe other people can. I don't know. Also wasn't really up my alley. However, there's a definite need for web designers. Um, Anyway, that being said, I wanted to first start out with showing you guys, let's see, oh yes, Um, the first thing they wanted us to do is prepare a photo gallery that will go inside the web page. So you know how when you're going to a website and you open up a little gallery and you can scroll through somebody's pictures, um, there's an easy way to create one, and you actually use Adobe Bridge, which is a different software. So instead of opening up Photoshop, I'm going to open up Adobe Bridge, and it comes with Photoshop though. It's like they go hand in hand. Basically Adobe Bridge, and I looked it up because I wasn't sure. I was like, what is Adobe Bridge? Because I've never used it before. Whoops, not that one. Okay, Adobe Bridge. Why use Adobe Bridge? Okay, there's a little video here. Why should we use Adobe Bridge? And I'm not going to play it right now, but maybe I'll post it. But he says basically as a designer, he always has Adobe Bridge open when designing or creating graphics because Adobe Bridge makes things much easier and provides a massive information with one simple click. So you can edit your images, your image properties in Bridge, like adding keywords. If you're doing websites, adding keywords is very important because that's how Google searches for things. So if you don't have keywords attached to your images, then people are not likely to find your website because, for example, if someone's looking for king salmon, if you're a charter boat operator in Kodiak and they search for king salmon, if your pictures don't have that, then it's not going to come up in Google, and that's a big problem. So in Adobe Bridge, let's see, you can do it really easily. You can also tag a bunch of pictures at once and change and add metadata to like batches of groups of images instead of one at a time. So it's less tedious. Anyway, we're not going to get that far in our lesson. This is just a brief introduction. We're just using Adobe Bridge for one function today. So, where is it? Adobe Bridge, where are you? Oh, yes. So, I have lots of versions of Adobe Bridge. I have CS3, CS5, and now I have CS6 because just because I have Photoshop. So it came with it. If you can't find your Adobe Bridge for any reason, you can always go to the school because they definitely have Adobe Bridge. And since I have a Mac, I'm looking for it through Finder and then clicking on Applications. Um, but if you have a PC, it's going to be under the Start menu and Programs, All Programs, and it should be under all the Adobe software like this in alphabetical order. Then I'm just going to click here, and double click. Yes, and now it's opening up down here, but you can't see it because it's not in the screenshot view here. But it's loading. There it is. Okay, so this is what Adobe Bridge looks like in CS6. I already looked at the CS5 one. It's pretty much the same deal here. I'm going to make it fit to my window. Oops. And what they wanted us to do, this pulls up all my folders.